If you wanted to enable USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all we need to open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down and we need to go all the way to About Tablet. Now over here we're gonna choose Software Information, and then you want to keep tapping on Build Number. Then enter the screen lock password and press Continue. You should see this menu where we need to confirm that we want to allow development settings, and then we have this message: developer mode has been turned on. On the left side in settings we can scroll further down in order to find developer options, and then in here we can find USB debugging if you scroll down a little bit. If you have this USB debugging option blocked by auto blocker, then we can scroll up in settings and go to security and privacy, and then over here we have the auto blocker, which we can easily disable. We need to, of course, enter the password in order to continue. And now if we go back to developer options, you should be able to enable or disable USB debugging. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.